Those are really cool. So, is that supposed to be like dog jumping or whatever?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Change color or just my eyes?
What? Where?
It's purple, right?
Yeah, what?
The car.
Yeah, that's purple.
Purple and white together, huh? Blending in like that?
Yeah. I mean, what do you mean they're changing?
You know how sometimes when the sun glares certain direction, it's kind of...
Yeah. Well, that's... Oh, the teeth on it.
Yeah. They're both charging. He got LED in the engine too.
Wait, what?
Yeah, LED in the engine, see the red?
Oh, I didn't even see it.
Oh, I think it's from this side reflecting. Yeah, it is right there. Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing. Dad, look at that.
Oh no, I like this one the best so far.
What? That thing looks really cool. It looks really cool.
The inside bigger than that truck, huh?
This is the inside of the truck.
No, that one little video one we saw down
Oh, basically. Like, only one of us could probably fit in there.
Oh, your mom would like this guy, Green Bay fan.
Nah.
Yeah, it's a badass. Some more down there, Uncle.
Oh. Oh.
That's cool. The king, huh? Okay?
Yeah.
You don't see these on the street because it's show car. Like you're racing.
Oh, Angry Birds.
Huh?
Angry Birds.
Oh. Real Supreme. What? Sometimes you can't tell it's a grass.
Yeah, I keep falling. One of these times I'm just gonna fall over. Yeah. Oh, that one. Dad. Look at this one. Still not too bad.
You got yellow or it's pretty cool. You got 210s now. Look at this one.
Oh. Oh gosh. Like something out of Mad Max.
I know, huh?
This one's cool.
If anything, somebody's car tore anything out with the paint job.
Saints Row 3 car. That's a big bed.
the auto controller.
Hmm?
Is it a controller?
Yeah.
You know what that's for, right?
Nitros, right?
No.
What? What?
When you the hydraulics
Oh,
make the car bounce and
I
stuff.
know. That's a cool hood. Oh my gosh, look at that.
No windshield either.
It's Mater.
Huh?
Mater. Remember, he's always blue for Never mind.
Maybe. You mean from the cars?
Yeah. That grill.
Huh?
That grill.
Yeah, it's a grill. Ponytail. Video hit tip?
It's basically 2 meter.
Look like that.
How do people fit in here?
Nice. Original. Almost original.
How do people fit in there?
2, 3. There's 2 by the count of seatbelts. 2 people. Oops, sorry.
Oh, rally car.
You know Mechanic Jason?
Huh?
Mechanic Jason?
Yeah.
He has one.
Is he here?
Mitsubishi? No. There's a couple of Mitsubishi up front, the first row that we looked at.
That was him?
No, he has one of those. I mean, it's a stock built, you know what that means, right?
Kind of.
It's like out of factory that way, and it still put out over 400 horsepower, go faster than some of the Corvette.
This thing is cool. Change it to metallic. Change this to metallic red.
It's a kit car, huh? Still bad. Got headlights, 3 Lego.
Oh, the snake has one. I think this is a Nissan. Dad, I think this is a Nissan.
Is it what?
I think this is a Nissan.
Could be, yeah. I can't tell. Go back at the end and look at the truck. I want to look at the very last one. Like this one.
Oh, Turbo. The movie. The snail.
Oh, I see it on there.
Is that a home?
Oh, yeah, Rush. got those doors. Look even hard to get in.
I think they come out a little more.
Do they?
I think so. Or go up a lot more.
Yeah, it could be.